Hey guys, wagwan, welcome back to Jammin' Cuisine. If you're new, welcome. Thank you so much for joining. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button and the bell so you don't miss out on any of these amazing recipes. Now in this video, as you guys can see, we're gonna make a simple chicken sandwich, and this is gonna be better than any fast food, trust me. Just one bite of this chicken sandwich and you're never gonna join a fast food line again, believe me. So let's jump right into the recipe, guys. So guys, for this recipe I will be using boneless chicken thighs instead of chicken breast, simply because thighs don't overcook as quickly as chicken breast do, but you can go ahead and use chicken breast if that's what you have. So per usual, the first thing I did was clean my chicken, and now I'm just washing it with some lime and cold running water. Once we've done that, we're just gonna pat dry our chicken thighs or chicken breast with paper towels, and now we're gonna season. So the very first thing I'm gonna add is half a cup of sriracha. You can definitely substitute hot sauce for the sriracha. I normally use hot sauce when frying chicken, but I decided to switch it up this time. The next thing I added was a cup of buttermilk followed by 1 egg. Now I'm gonna add my seasonings. I went in with around 2 teaspoons of Jamaican jerk seasoning, 2 teaspoons of garlic clover, and 2 teaspoons of everything seasoning. I added a teaspoon of salt as well, and then we're just gonna mix that in really well. Now you guys can use whatever seasonings you have or prefer. However, if you're interested in the Flavor God seasonings that I use, I will leave the link down below in my description box. That way you can go to the website and purchase. These seasonings are what I use in my everyday life. They're definitely worth it. So the next thing I'm gonna do is make our seasoned flour. So I added a cup and a half of all-purpose flour followed by half a cup of cornstarch. I added a teaspoon of ground ginger, a teaspoon of my garlic cloves and everything seasoning. I also went in with a teaspoon of dried oregano and a pinch of salt. Now we're gonna mix that in really well. And guys, like I said, you can use whatever seasonings you have in place of what I did. It doesn't have to be the same seasonings that I used. Now we're gonna coat each chicken thigh in our seasoned flour, and then I'm actually gonna drop it back into the same bowl where we had the sriracha and the buttermilk, and then we're gonna do a second coat of flour. So now is the perfect time to have your oil getting hot. So I added around 2 cups of oil, allow it to get to around 350 degrees Fahrenheit, and then we're gonna carefully place each chicken thigh in. We want to ensure that there is enough space between each because we want these to fry perfectly. If you have a lot of chicken pieces, go ahead and do 2 batches if you have to. So we're gonna fry our chicken thighs for around 17 to 20 minutes. So 5 minutes per side, flipping back and forth. Since it's boneless, it's definitely gonna take a shorter time compared to bone-in chicken thighs. And of course, if you're working with chicken breast, it's definitely gonna take a way shorter time to cook your chicken breast compared to the thighs. So my chicken thighs are finished frying. I just set them aside on a rack to drain the excess oil. Now we're gonna go ahead and add all our favorite condiments to the buns. I'm keeping it real simple. I'm just doing mayo, some pickles, and some sauce. That's it. You guys can go ahead and add cheese or whatever other stuff you want to add to your chicken sandwich. Make it your own, guys. I also forgot to mention that I did toast my buns for around 2 minutes. I just popped them in the oven for literally 2 minutes on 350 degrees Fahrenheit. And I'm using my Chick-fil-A sauce. I will also leave the link down below if you guys want to know where I got it. And yeah, that's really it, guys. This is our chicken sandwich. I wish you guys could smell my kitchen right now. So this is our homemade chicken sandwich. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Don't forget to subscribe, like, leave a comment. You guys walk good, stay safe. Until next time.